The last time I filmed a decluttering video, we were just over there doing all of my pots and pans, and it turns out I had 9 extra glass and stainless steel bowls in with the pots and pans. Didn't need to be there, and I thought, I have got way too many bowls. Way too many bowls. This whole cupboard is just dedicated to bowls. As an aside, I put this little organizing thing up. I did a video about it. I will link it in the description below. This is one of the best things. Saves so much space in this drawer above me, but this was fantastic. Anyways, and I still use it and it's wonderful. Good life hack. Anyways, let's get on to the bowls. So I have this whole cupboard and basically it is just full of bowls, which is kind of a waste of a whole entire cupboard, if I must say so. And the shelf here is wrong. It should at least be a little bit lower because it's too close to this drawer. You can't put much up there. Funny how I've lived with that for like 23 years. Time to move the shelf because that doesn't take very long. Pull all the bowls out. Really, realistically, how many bowls does one family need? We will purge, declutter, organize, minimize, get to it. Won't take long, as usual. Quick and easy. Let's get going. Let's organize it, see what we've got. Purge, organize, declutter, get rid of all those fun words that I keep using repeatedly over and over again. And let's donate some, give some to my son that's just moved out, and organize. In there, I've moved the shelf down some, so it should be much more practical. You always have some things that are just your favorite, your go-to, you use them all the time. Back in they go. Somebody who shall remain nameless decided to chew my bowl, but I still love this bowl. It's a perfect size. I use it all the time. Funny, out of that whole cupboard, which was a mess and overflowing, and sometimes you just had to shove it in and shut the door really quick so nothing fell out, I only got rid of 3 bowls. All I had to do was just organize, because I really do use, I guess, these bowls. Up here we've got a cookie thing, a nice tray, and a little bit of Tupperware. It turns out that I do use almost everything in this cupboard. But even getting rid of 3 things, I think it's worth it. Moving down this shelf was worth it. Then I have lived with that shelf in the wrong spot for 23 years. And now, finally, I've come to the realization that I can just move those shelves. Funny, you do it in one cupboard and you just now reevaluate all of your cupboards. Why don't I move the shelves to suit the way I need things? Another thing done, that took less than 5 minutes. So quick, so easy, so organized, so satisfying. Done. And I'm done for another day. Thanks for joining me. Be kind to yourself. We all have cupboards that look like chaos, that you have to slam the door shut sometimes. One cupboard at a time, one day at a time. Be kind to yourself. Follow me along. Let me know about your own journey to become a minimalist, to purge, to get rid of things, to organize your life. Life will be easier and it'll be so much nicer and more peaceful. We all want peace in our life. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate each and every time somebody watches my videos. Thank you very much.